Now talk about drill press. Drill press, although a hand drill is commonly used for drilling of small holes, a drill press is preferable when the location and the orientation of the hole must be controlled accurately. A drill press is composed of a base that supports the column. The column, in turn, supports a table. Work can be done and can be supported on the table with a vise or hold-down clamps, or the table can be swiveled out of the way to allow tall work to be supported directly on the base. Height of the table can be adjusted with a table lift crank, then locked in place with a table lock. The column also supports a power head containing a motor. The motor turns the spindle at a speed controlled by a variable speed control dial. The spindle holds a drill chuck to hold the cutting tools, drill bits, center drills, reamers, etc. The machine tool described is a typical upright drill press. The smaller modifications, mounted on a table rather than the floor, are known as bench drills. There are two figures of drilling machine. See here, fixed head, that means power head, then spindle. At the right there are column and head wheel, adjustable head, spindle, chuck, table, and bottom of there is base. So this is symmetric figure and this is actual figure of a drilling machine. Specialized drill presses, gang drilling machines, independent columns, each with different drilling operations, workpiece slid from one column to the next. Then numerical control drill presses. Numerical control drill presses are available to control the positioning of the holes in the work parts. These drill presses are often equipped with turrets to hold multiple tools that can be indexed under control of the ANSI program. The term CNC turret drill is used for these machine tools. There are the figures. First one is gang drilling machines and the last one is CNC turret drilling machines. See here, radial drilling machines. Used on large workpieces, spindle mounts on radial arm, allowing drilling operations anywhere along the arm length. And the last one, multiple spindle drilling machines. Single power head operates multiple spindles, enabling multiple holes at one time. Each hole can be unique, and there are the figures of radial drilling machines and multiple spindle drilling machines. And this is our last slide of this video. Work holding equipment. Work holding on a drill press is accomplished by clamping the part in a vise, fixture, or jig. A vise is a general purpose work holding device possessing two jaws that grabs the work in position. A fixture is a work holding device that is usually custom designed for the particular work part. The fixture can be designed to achieve higher accuracy in positioning the part relative to the machining operation, faster production rates, and greater operator convenience in use. A jig. A jig is a work holding device that is also specially designed for the work part. The distinguishing feature between a jig and a fixture is that the jig provides the means of guiding the tool during the drilling operation. A fixture does not provide this tool guidance feature. A jig used for drilling is called a drill jig.